Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, you are back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Ito na ang unang dugtong natin, my love, sa mga katagang balang araw. Balang araw, makatatagpo ka din ng para sa'yo. It's hard to find someone who will fall perfectly under the category of the one. There are a lot of things to consider, my love. Lalo na ngayon sa internet naglalabasan yung mga quotes na find a man who can, find a woman who can. It is somehow dictating kung ano ang standard ng partner na dapat nating hanapin. What the people who wrote that do not understand is that yung mga qualities na yon ay too ideal to find in one person. Katulad na nga lang ng lagi kong sabi sa programa, ang love ay sugal. Relationship compatibility will always be a game of hit and miss. There's no way to tell if magiging successful yan o hindi. You just have to see it for yourself and hope na with everything you can do, you can make it work and it will last a lifetime. Though may mga panahon na universe will conspire and give you exactly what you want and need, but most of the time, it will test you. So instead of saying na balang araw makatatagpo ka din ng the one, say balang araw makatatagpo ka din ng love na strong enough, worthy enough, and you will work to make that relationship the one. There's a big difference to it. Listen to it again. Klaro? Ikalawang dugtong sa mga katagang balang araw. Balang araw, yayaman din ako. Heist. Sana all. This is one of the most practical, if not the most realistic, balang araw na sasambitin ng isang tao. Kasi who wouldn't want that, di ba? I know that money can't buy everything, but it can surely help. Isa kasi ang kakapusan sa abilidad ng survival, having the breads to spend specifically sa huge source of stress ng isang tao. Pag kinakapos ka na tapos dumadami pa yung bayarin, ay nakaw, Diyos ko Lord. Mapapatawag ka talaga sa lahat ng santo jay. This is also when you say the line, balang araw, yayaman din ako. And you know what, love? I wish the same thing for you. Sana nga makuha mo yung means to do everything you like in life. Kasi a person like you na nagsasabi ng ganito already appreciates what you have and you can do more given a chance to do so. So love, just keep on doing what you've been doing all this time. Grind lang ng grind. Huwag kang mapapagod. Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Huwag kang bibigay. Balang araw, my love. Like what you said, yayaman ka. Not only because you worked hard for it, but because the universe finally see that you can do more good things with it. Maniwala ka lang. Klaro? Love, awat muna tayo sa biyaheng balang araw and let's do something for someone today. This one ay mula sa ating Instagram account. Gusto niya yarn? Hanggang sa Instagram, umaabot ang ating biyahe. Well, this one ay nagpapatago ng kanyang pagkatao, so tatawagin natin siya sa ngalang Carl. Ito ang biyahe ni Carl. Hi DJ Lala, good evening. Pwede po bang humingi ng advice? Married man po ako with 3 siblings. Siblings or kids ba to? Oh, anyway, pero separated na ako sa wife ko kasi nagloko siya ng ilang beses. Siya ang first and true love ko, by the way. Okay naman po yung buhay, may stable job with good salary. Thank you, Lord. Hindi ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral. 4th year high school lang ako, undergrad ako kasi may back subject. Pero 1st to 3rd year, scholar po ako sa school, top section. Hindi naman po sa pagmamayabang. Kaya lang nung 4th year na pabarkada ako, nasira ang pag-aaral, ayun. Ito po ang tanong ko, may babae pa kayang magmamahal at tatanggapin ako sa kabila ng pagkatao ko? Salamat po, God bless to you and to your family. Pakihide na lang po yung identity ko kung sa ere nyo po ako bibigyan ng kasagutan. Salamat ulit. Carl? Ano daw? I'm lost. Carl, yun totoo. Hindi ko naintindihan yung connection ng backstory mo sa problema mo. And when you say na may babae pa bang tatanggap sa'yo sa kabila ng pagkatao mo, ano bang ibig sabihin mo doon? Ano ka ba? Half human ka ba? Half isda? Ganon? pagkatao. Anyway, sumasakit yung bumbunan ko sa'yo. Anyway, I'll just try to disregard yung backstory mo and I'll focus on the question at hand, okay? Doon tayo sa part na kung may babae pa bang tatanggap sa'yo, Carl. Carl, if yun ang tanong, the answer, yes, regardless of what comes after that question. Kasi alam mo, Carl, I do believe na there's always someone out there for someone. Na sa kabila ng lahat ng heartaches natin at failed relationships, someone is out there just like us, na wounded, sugatan, but willing to give love another shot. You just have to be patient, my love, and most importantly, open. Huwag kang magpadaig sa fear of failing again. Huwag kang magpa-overpower sa takot na masaktan ulit. Love when you can and love while you can. Life is too short, my love, to be cautious when it comes to love. Kaya if may chance kang maging masaya nang wala kang sinasaktang iba, I suggest go lang. Love is love, Carl. When it's right, it's unconditional. Klaro? I hope, Carl, nasagot ko yung tanong mo kahit magulo yung storya mo. Pero basically yun. There's always someone out there for someone. You just have to be patient enough and open enough to wait until that time comes na dumating siya sa buhay mo, okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, if may pinagdadaanan kayo sa buhay, katulad ni Carl, ayusin nyo lang ng onti yung pagsasabi ng storya nyo. Pero pwede naman kayo mag-send sa akin. And in that case, sa lahat ng social media platforms ko, pwede na. Instagram, Twitter, Laika, TikTok, pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung Facebook. Ayan, DJ Lala Banderas. Or you can text me directly sa ating biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Ito na nga ang huling dugtong ng ating biyaheng balang araw. Balang araw, you will be someone. Balang araw, my love, with all your efforts and hard work, magiging kilalang tao ka din. Hindi man siguro yung malakasniel na level, but at least man lang in a certain community, you will be respected and known for. But sa ngayon, give yourself a tap on the back. Do not ever forget that. Kasi even if wala pa yung araw na yon, with all your achievements and with all your accomplishments, you have already made your parents proud. You should be proud of yourself too. Be happy, my love. You are now on your way to reaching your goal. Basta wag ka lang pakalunod na nakatingin lamang sa hinaharap. Never forget to enjoy today while waiting for that balang araw to come. Okay? Klaro ba yun? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Maraming salamat po for sticking with me sa 3 hours of our show of being hopeful and dreaming for a better future. O diba? Yung balang araw na yan, I'm sure dadating yan para sa'yo. You just have to work hard for it so you can deserve it. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, again, that's it for me. And idedire-diretso ko na lang ang tugtugan hanggang mamayang alas 5. And if you want to follow me on my socials, go ahead. DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Laika. And of course, kung gusto nyo panuorin ang mga previous episode ng biyahe, pwede po uploaded yan everyday sa YouTube channel ng Love Radio Manila. Nakasama nyo ngayong gabi, my name is DJ Lala and you were tuning in sa aking programang biyahe. Ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! I love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.